Silver has lost its value against US dollar this week, where we can see the price formed this small gap on a Monday and formed this bullish candle, then reached this area of resistance. From there the price could not manage to make a bullish breakout above, but it has lost its value, going further down, reaching this 29.66 support level, forming a bearish breakout, then continued losing its value, reaching very close to this area of the support at 28.62. The price on a Friday has returned back up, forming this area of reaching this area of resistance, the supply zone, and then stop it right here. Weekly time frame shows us that we are currently in the bearish breakout on the weekly time frame, where the price is in between this area of resistance and support. Monthly time frame shows me this is a continuation of the previous month, so we are here currently in the bearish month. So we have 1.5 week until this month close, so everything's still open. I will not make conclusion that this is a bearish month until the price closes this month below this area of 30.59. Weekly time frame currently shows me there is potentially that the price could bounce back up slightly, then continue to lose its value. This looks much more bearish to me, where I'm expecting the price will drop down, reaching 28.62, but we'll see how the daily time frame shows. Very important resistance level is in here, 29.66. If it holds, the price will continue to lose its value, going further decline in value, reaching 28.62. So I'm currently more open to see bearish momentum than it is bullish, but we will see what happens on the lower time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, where I also share the trades inside the premium analysis, the details when the bearish breakout or bullish breakout happens, and also what is the target, we can see that the price has reached this area of resistance and did not manage to make a bullish breakout, but it has bounced back down. So we'll see what happens on the Monday, because it is the best way how the market reacts. Currently, I am much more open to see the price going further down, but for that, I would like to see the price going below 29.01. In order to reach that, we can see the price needs to make a bearish breakout below this area, 29.32, and the first one is this area here, which is around 29.42, which is a very important support level. So we'll see how the price behave on a Monday, especially on the lower time frame, 4-hour time frame, which will be indication of the further direction of the price. See you next time and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.